Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use Google Reverse Image Search on Android. If you want to search with your image on Google, so let's see how can you do this. For this, you must have to open your Chrome browser, but first of all, you have to update your browser. So go to Play Store, and here go to Search and search for Chrome. You just have to search for Chrome, and here you have to make sure that your browser is up to date as mine, and after checking this you have to open your browser. In browser, just open Google, and here you have to select images as I have selected. Now you have to select the camera icon from here, just tap on it, and after that it will open in your camera. You have to select the gallery option, tap on it, and it will open your gallery photos. You just have to select the photo which you want to search. As I'm going to search this one, so just tap on it, and after that it will give you all the results of the search with this. So that's how you can easily use Google reverse image search on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.